Hinkley news.
Good morning, Hinkley. I am Oscar. So next week we have CMAS, and after that we have SAT and PSAT. We only have 9 weeks left of school, so about 34 days. So continue working hard till the very end. Now for the news of sports.
Hello Hinkley, this is News of Sports. On Monday, there's a boys volleyball varsity game at 4:30 p.m. at Westminster High School. And Tuesday, there's a girls soccer game at 4 p.m. here at Hinkley High Stadium. Then on Wednesday, we have a boys varsity volleyball game here at the Hinkley. And then Thursday, another boys volleyball games, and both those games will be at 5:30 p.m. On Friday, we don't have no games, and that's all. See you, Hinkley.
How long did it take you to get this far?
It took a while. I started playing basketball when I was in like 8th grade, and I wasn't that good at first, and then I've been practicing a lot.
How do you feel about being on the news?
It feels good because I really never thought I'd be at this like point to be that good at basketball, to like be recognized.
How do you feel about your team?
I feel like we kind of had a little bit of a disappointing season, but we kind of became brothers, and I feel like I've created like a family bond with them.
And what's your plans for the future?
Well, I don't see basketball in my future. I want to be major in business in college.
Thank you.
Special recognition for these 2 young men. Angel will be attending Utah State University. Angel was given a full ride scholarship to this university to play soccer. The second recognition is Devin Menya. As a junior, earned the opportunity to travel to El Salvador in January to play on the U17 national team. We want to congratulate Jesse Frimpong for being selected for the Aurora All-Star basketball team. We want to thank and congratulate Taylor Starks for representing Hinkley, the Denver City League All-Star game. It's Athletic Trainer Month. Adriana Trost. And to show our appreciation, we have our first jacket with our Hinkley Thunder logo on it for Adriana Trost. Your girls Thunder tennis team. Round of applause. Girls soccer. They are on the road right now, traveling to Harrison, so they will not be here for the recognition. Hinkley track and field. Hinkley Thunder boys volleyball by Coach Reyes, Coach Patty, and Coach Halligan.
We have one more that we want to honor, which is Miss Mila Lemon, who is Speaker of the Year for the Denver Urban Debate League. Congratulations, Mila!
PSAT, SAT, CMAS. With a message about this are 2 other student leaders, Myra Fry and Monse.
Hey guys, so for this April, we have important dates. On April 5th, we have CMAS. April 12th, we have SAT. And on April 13th, we have PSAT for 9th and 10th grade.
with 300 points. 10th grade is in second place with 200 points. And 11th grade needs to pick it up. 4th place with 100 points.
These awards are for students that have been nominated by teachers for engaging in class and working hard last quarter. Alejandro Vasquez, Ann Garcia, Adrienne Singa. If I get your name wrong, I'm sorry. Andrei Sinaga, Allison Remigio, Celestino Rena, Angel Hansar, Yasmin Reynolds, Thomas Soles Ortiz, Tapian Garcia, Kashawn Taylor, Emmanuel Codron Tofola, Alejandro Sanchez Bota.
Nelson Nguyen. These awards are going for perfect attendance. Nelson Nguyen, Jordanos Tesfaye, Angeles Hema, Samara Ahmed, Esther Sen, Carlos Silva Martinez, Camila Roma Torres, Asael Rivera Aguilera, Alison Remigio, Mary Singh, Edgar Saldana, Ivan Conro, Manuel Rojas Guzman, Celestino Reina.
Y'all give it up for our drum line. Our seniors will now, let's go through the winners of the week and today's class competitions. Here we go. In first place, 12th grade with 600 points. In second place, 9th grade with 300. In third place, 10th grade with 200. And 11th grade in last place with 100 points.
Hello again, Hinkley High School students. It's me, Christian Dumafo. We held another Mario Party last week, but this time it's Super Mario Party! Woo! Another Mario Party event, another day of fun. So without further ado, here's the footage and picture from last week's winners. Check it out.
Congratulations!